Hello, my name is Julia Bomalaski, and I will be presenting my design project on the mobile app SilverCanvas. SilverCanvas is a digital platform designed to encourage creative expression and build a sense of community among older adults. It is accessibly designed and provides guided prompts to inspire artistic engagement while also offering a safe and welcoming space free of monetizing algorithms where users can share their creations and build meaningful connections with other older adults. The app will include daily guided creative prompts, community spaces for peer-to-peer sharing, accessibility features, and much more. Art therapy has been shown to reduce anxiety, improve mood, and support cognitive function in older adults. Many older adults face increasing levels of isolation. It has been shown that active social media usage, one that encourages direct exchanges with others, has a positive effect on the loneliness of seniors. Online safety is a huge factor to consider, with disparities in digital literacy amplifying the vulnerability of older adults. While many digital platforms exist, they are often not designed with older users in mind. SilverCanvas is specifically designed to feel like a safe place for older adults to explore art therapy and connect with other older adults. The main user tasks for SilverCanvas are engaging with creative prompts, navigating a personal gallery, interacting with the community, receiving support and guidance, and adjusting accessibility and personal settings. Here is an example of an elaborated user scenario for the user task of engaging with creative prompts. Here we see a 72-year-old retired librarian who is looking for ways to express herself creatively while connecting with other users her age. The task flow analysis for the user task engaging with creative prompts is seen here. Some of the steps for this user task are reading the daily prompt, then clicking a button to begin the prompt, selecting a medium/upload option, and using built-in tools like voice-to-text. The task flow analysis for the user task interacting with the community is seen here. Some of the steps for this user task are clicking into a community group feed, scrolling through other entries, and interacting with peers' posts through comment boxes and notifications. Here's the prototype for the startup page. This is the page that the user sees when they first open the app for the day. There is clear indication on what the prompt is and what the user's next steps are. Every page has a live chat support option in the bottom left corner, as well as an accessibility pop-up icon in the bottom right. This pop-up allows the user to set their accessibility preferences based on their needs. This is the prototype for the art submission page. This is the page that is shown next when Begin Prompt button is clicked from the previous prototype. Just like the previous prototype buttons, these are clearly labeled with a linear design. This is the prototype for a community group feed. This page is what the user sees when they click within a particular community group. There is a clear and simple navigation at the top with the three main areas of the app: the dashboard, community groups, and resources. The group name is labeled, and the user has the option to return to the previous page with the arrow link. The user can scroll through other submissions and interact with the artwork using the large comment box that encourages active and kind interactions. SilverCanvas better supports the needs of older adults compared to similar existing platforms by addressing the need for art therapy to support cognitive function and social connection while also considering their accessibility needs and varying levels of tech literacy. Standards from the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines 2.0 were adopted to address the accessibility needs of older adults. Some of the standards that were adopted are color and contrast, ensuring a contrast ratio of 4:5:1 is maintained, and a light pastel background is used on buttons to address contrast sensitivity in older adults. Text size and style. Large fonts provided by default, but they can also be resized up to 200% without the loss of content or functionality. Links. All buttons and links will include text that describes the purpose of the link, and they will highlight when a mouse hovers over it. And navigation best practices. A search function is provided, and there is clear indication of the main areas of the app, as well as consistent labeling throughout. Through this assignment, I now have a deeper understanding of what it means to create an inclusive and empowering technology for older adults. I learned the importance of designing with not just looks in mind, but accessibility as well. This course has strengthened my ability to apply user-centered design principles in a thoughtful and socially impactful way. Here are the resources I used in this presentation. Thank you so much for listening.